there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw a store. So here's my ruler and I'm using my black color pen to draw the store. First of all, draw a straight line and another one, and draw another straight line but smaller than the before. I'm marking the area and now join all the straight lines together. Okay. The shade of the store is almost done. I'm marking some areas with dots. And now, keep drawing U's. Okay, now draw some straight lines. Join the two big lines. Now I'm drawing its door. Let's join them. Okay. Now it's time to draw the glasses of door. Perfect. Let's draw a window. Let's write here open. Okay. Now I'm using my gray color pen to color the window. Wow! I'm using the same gray color pen to color the door. I'm using it on the base of the store as well and on the roof. Now for a light gray color, I'm using my pencil. Let's clean it up. Now I'm starting coloring with my red highlighter pen. Wow! Now I'm using my pencil again. I'm using my orange highlighter pen to color the store. Let's draw some bricks with my brown color pen. Perfect! My drawing is done, and this is how you can draw a store within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching.